Hey guys and gals, this is Latif. Hope you're well, and today we will be covering AAVE token that has surged more than 2100% since after November 2019. And in today's video, we will try to understand how the AAVE token completed this bullish setup and what the price action can do next. First of all, let me just share a few of my ideas that I have shared on the AAVE token. And this was the idea that I shared on 5th of March 2019. And after complete research, I just predicted that the price action can move in a Gartley pattern. And this was the initial leg, and I predicted that the price action can move in this way. It will be retraced here in between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. Then it can be projected between 0.382 to 0.886, and then again it can be retraced here between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Now I have played this idea, and you can see that the price action just followed my prediction, and it was retraced here in this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and again moved up in this projection level, and again retraced here and moved up, and again retraced here and moved up and moved all the way down and broke down this support of potential reversals on. And after that, I just posted this idea on January 4, 2020. And in this idea, I just predicted that the price action has completed a bullish crab pattern. And after this initial leg, it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, projected between 0.382 to 0.886, and then retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action took a bullish divergence, entered in this potential reversal zone, and moved a little bit down and moved up and hit this sell zone or Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. Now we can understand that this is one of the tokens that gives a lot of trading opportunities by its volatility. Now let's move to the live chart, and I have placed on this daily chart this 25 simple moving average and 50, 100, and then 200. At this time we have the 25 simple moving average above all, then 50, then 100, and then 200. And you can see that these moving averages are lifting the price action up in a very beautiful parabolic way. And if we try to find that when this alligator mouth, the open alligator mouth, was formed, because we have the smallest time period moving average above all, then bigger one, and then bigger one, and the biggest time period moving average, that is 200 simple moving average below all these simple moving averages. So this is called an open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. And if we try to find when this complete open alligator mouth formed for the first time, then we can find here that in November 2019, we had first time this 200 simple moving average below all, and then we had the 100, then 50, and this 25 simple moving average. At that time, the price action was in a correction rally, and after some correction, the price action used this 100 or this 200, you can say, used as a support, even though the price action did not touch this moving average, and moved up all the way. You can see that it produced more than 2100% bullish rally so far. And after this correction move, it is again showing a green bullish candlestick. And you can see that if we watch these exponential moving averages with the exponential moving average 10 and 21, then it is using these moving averages as a good support. At this time, it was using these moving averages as support and likely to move up. If I place these indicators here, for example, you can see this is the MACD indicator, this is the stochastic, and this is the momentum indicator. Let's remove this one and only watch these two indicators. Then we can see that the movement of the price action is very much synchronized with these two indicators. For example, whenever the price action is touching at the exponential moving average 10 in 21, and we receive the stochastic bull cross, this blue line crosses up this red line, and this MACD turns bullish. For example, it was weak bearish, and it was turned weak bear. It was strong bearish, sorry, and now it was turned weak bearish here. And after that, we can see that the price action moved up again. It reached at this support, and we received the stochastic bull cross, and this MACD was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and it moved up. At this time, the price action is again at the support of EMA 10 and EMA 21, and we have received a bear cross by the stochastic. At this time, it is likely to move up. This blue line is likely to move up and form the bull cross with this red line. And after that, if we will receive the MACD, at this time MACD is very strong bearish. If it will be turned weak bearish from strong bearish, then we can expect that it will be moved up for the next rally again. And on this same daily chart, the price action is likely to form this up channel. We have so many touches at the support and several touches at the resistance, and at this time the price line is likely to move up again after hitting this support. And if we place the moon phases indicator, this is a really very useful indicator to predict whether the price line will break down or break out the support. Then we can see that we have a new full moon appeared at this level. Therefore, we can expect that this time the price action can move upward. And for example, if the price action will not break down or break out this support or resistance of the channel, then we can expect that if the price line will be continuously moving within this channel, then eventually it will be the price will be increased, because it is in fact is an up channel. And at the end of this video, I would like to share with you this chart that the price action of AAVE token has formed a cup and handle formation on a very short term 2-hour time period chart. This is the resistance of this cup that is almost at 3,432 satoshis, and after the formation of this cup, it has found the resistance here, and now it is retraced up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. I have just placed the Fibonacci tool from this resistance of the cup up to this bottom of the cup, and we have this 0.382 level, then we have 0.50 level, then here we have a golden ratio that is 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and this handle can be longer up to this level, and in my point of view it can be longer at up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level as well. But if this level will be broken down, then we can expect that on the daily chart the price action can move up to this 25 simple moving average, because for the long time period the price action did not touch this 25 simple moving average so far and used it as a support. So if that level, that 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level will be broken down, then we can expect that the price action can move more down up to this 25 simple moving average that is at 2,515 satoshis at this time. And this is also possible that when the price action will be moved up from this handle of the cup, and it will try to break out this resistance of this handle and this resistance of the cup as well, then 25 simple moving average will move up to provide the support to the price action, and we will have another very strong, powerful bullish rally. So this was the update so far by the price action of AAVE token. If I'll have more updates, I will definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.